2023. Call me after 7 when my minutes are free. Wait a minute if you don't like me. Beautiful lady playing with your fingernails right here with the perfect commercial. Have you ever had a 6'4" black man in your life? She said, hell no, not yet. Once you go back, never go back. Let's keep it even. Once you go right, that's it right there. I can't get shit up there. Once you go right, I got you, man, I promise. You'll always have good credit for life. It's just a joke. My sister's gonna sing a song for y'all, right? Ladies and gentlemen, check it out. My name is James. This is my sister Aphrodite. We're adopted.